Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Okay, today on Chef Michael's Food Hacks, we are making oven-fried buttermilk southern chicken. Anyway, first thing I want to do when you're taking this apart, this chicken, is I'm going to cut the back out. All right, I'm using kitchen shears. I'm just going to go all the way down the back. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the legs off and the thighs. Okay, I want to be careful I don't cut into the breast. And what I did was I dislocated the chicken thighs from the main body. Okay, so they'll come right out. All right, doing this rather quickly so you can play it over and over again. That's why we have video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the wings off. Okay, and I'm going to pull on it so I can see where I need to cut. Cutting the wings off. All right. I'm going to leave those whole. And then what I do, because the breast will cook more evenly, is I usually cut the breast in half. Okay? And it also cooks faster because the breast takes a heck of a long time to cook. Alright, so now I'm going to finish cutting this, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to cover the chicken with the buttermilk and then the breading. Okay? Okay, so now we're doing the breading of the oven-fried chicken. Now what I did was I soaked this in buttermilk. There's some egg whites in here, some olive oil, a little Tabasco, a little lemon juice. So now in here what I have is they're like cornflakes, but they're organic. And then I have some sprouted grain bread that I put in here and to make the topping. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm putting it in. Okay. And I'm going to press the breading and the coating down on the chicken. Okay, then I'm going to put it on the shelf like that. Now I'm going to do all the chicken like that, then I'm going to bake it off at 400 degrees for about 30 or 35 minutes. Okay, now I'm making some fresh cut french fries. Now what I do is I just wash the potato, I leave the peel on. Now you need a really sharp knife for this. Okay, very sharp, so be very careful obviously. Okay, so anyway what I'm going to do is I'm slicing them in about 1/4 inch slices, and it doesn't matter that I have to turn the potato because it's safer, okay? Because I'm still going to get the same amount of french fries. I'm just going to show you one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to oil these slightly with some oil spray. I'm going to put them in an air fryer oven in this fryer basket right here for about 15 or 20 minutes, and then we'll have air fries. Okay, so I'm making some gravy now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some browned gluten-free flour. Okay, now I browned this in a pan, a absolutely dry pan. You do it on medium heat. So now I'm just going to dump this in there, and I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to blend it till it thickens. Okay, then I'm going to put it back in the pot, and I'm going to cream it with a little creme fraiche, and that's our cream gravy. Okay, we're all done. There it is, the oven-fried chicken, buttermilk oven-fried southern chicken. And oven fries, absolutely yummy, served with a side of gravy. Okay, I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.